Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change WhatsApp profile picture. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp on your iPhone and make sure you are logged in. Step 2. Go to settings. Tap settings in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open your profile. At the top, tap your name or current profile picture. This opens your WhatsApp profile. Step 4. Tap edit on your profile photo. You will see options to take photo, choose photo or remove photo. Step 5. Choose or take photo. Select a photo from your gallery or take a new one with a camera. Adjust the photo by zooming or moving it, then tap choose. Step 6. Save change. Tap done or save. Your new profile picture updates instantly. Step 7. Check privacy settings. Go back to the settings, then tap on privacy, then tap on profile photo. Choose who can see your photo, everyone, my contacts or nobody. And that's how to change your WhatsApp profile picture on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.